Children, today's lesson is lesson 5.3 Search for Nanook. First and foremost, I would like to introduce you the lesson. This lesson is based on an American silent documentary, Nanook of the North. Nanook of the North was filmed by Robert J. Flaherty in 1922. It showed the traditional life of Inuit Native Americans in the Arctic. The story of the film revolved around an Inuit called Alakariala, and this lesson highlights the effort of a modern Inuit called Moses who researched on the identity of the Nanook. Children, first you should know who Inuits are. Inuits are the indigenous people in northern regions of Canada. They are also called Eskimos in Native American language. In Inuit region, a Nanook is considered as the master of wares. So the whole story that we are going to learn is based on a Nanook. Here are the major characters mentioned in the story. Alakarialak, an Inuit who played the main role as the Nanook in the film. Robert Flaherty, the director of the movie. Moses, a modern Inuit who did a research to identify whether the Nanook in the movie was his grandfather. George Taivki, a teacher who interviewed people on the history of the Inuit community. And Daniel Alakarialak, Moses' grandfather. Here are the important scenes that I have categorized based on the lesson. Then it will be easy for you to understand the lesson very well. The first one, Nanook of the North, is a movie directed by the famous cinematographer Robert J. Flaherty. Second one, the star of the film was an Inuit called Alakarialak, and he died due to starvation in 1923. Third one, Moses did a research to identify whether the Nanook in the movie was his grandfather. Fourth one, Moses visited several places in search of evidence. Fifth one, Moses discovered some facts about his grandfather from a minister's own records. Sixth one, Moses' grandfather had died after suffering from tuberculosis in 1927. And seventh one, finally, Moses identified that the Inuit who played as Nanook in the movie was not his grandfather. Children, you should number all the paragraphs. Altogether, there are 8 paragraphs of the lesson. Here, I have divided the lesson mainly into 3 parts. The first 3 paragraphs are included in the first part of the lesson. Part 1 gives an introduction to the lesson. It brings out that the Nanook of the North, which was a documentary film, was directed by Robert Flaherty. The star of the movie was an Inuit, as we learned in the previous explanation, and he was called Alakarialak. He died due to starvation. That means he suffered due to lack of food and died 2 years after making the film. This lesson is presented as a personal recount of a modern Inuit called Moses who tried to identify whether the Nanook of the movie was his grandfather. This part brings out the characteristics of the modern day Inuits as well. So here we see that the modern day Inuits have developed. It highlights how the modern Inuits identified the hunting scenes of the movie as fake scenes. Here, Moses described that the movie made him to research on the identity of the Nanook. Here you should answer the following questions in your writing book. The first question is, what is the movie mentioned in the text? The second question is, name the director and the star of the movie. The third question is, why did the star of the movie die? The fourth question is, what was the purpose of the research that was done this? Now let's discuss the second part of the lesson. The second part of the lesson is consisted of the 4th, 5th and 6th paragraphs. This part describes that George Taivki was a teacher who interviewed people because he wanted to identify who was the Nanook of the movie. He identified some sort of similarities between Moses' grandfather and the star of the movie, such as both of them were called Alakarielak and both died during the year of 1920. Many people shared what they knew about the Nanook and Moses' grandfather. At the same time, Moses visited several places in Ottawa and in Powinutuk and in many more places in order to find evidence. Now, you should write answers for the following questions in your writing book. The fifth question is, who is the teacher mentioned in the text? The sixth question, find out who shared details with Moses about the Nanook and his grandfather. The seventh question, name 2 places where Moses visited in order to find evidence. Children, now let's discuss about the third part of the lesson. The third part of the lesson contains the last 2 paragraphs of the lesson, such as paragraph 7 and 8. According to this part, Moses referred to the church records to find evidence about his grandfather, but ultimately he failed. But after that, from the minister's own record, Moses discovered the fact about his grandfather, and according to that, his grandfather had died in 1927 after suffering from tuberculosis, that is a serious infectious disease that usually attacks the lungs of a person. But the star who played the part of Nanook in the movie had died in 1923 due to starvation. Therefore, finally it was revealed that the star of the movie was not Moses' grandfather. Now, that is the end of the explanation. You have to answer the following questions in your writing book. The 8th question is, how did Moses find facts about his grandfather? The 9th question, who was Moses' grandfather? The 10th question, write 2 differences between the Nanook and Moses' grandfather. Students, this is the end of the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and God bless you.